Hello, good morning everyone. Yan, kapag gusto niyo po ng copy ng book na ito, yan, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Yan, type niyo lang po ito. Yan, and then mag-o-open po yan. And then, lagay niyo lang po yung name niyo, email, and then mobile number, then submit. Yan, gusto ko lang po ito basahin. Yan, sabi po dito, does money control you or do you control your money? Or do you control money? Every day, people go to work to make a living. But no matter how hard we work and how much we earn, money always seems to control us. So many people are in debt. In rich and in poor countries, debt has become a way of life for many people throughout the world. Hindi lang po pala sa mga mahihirap na bansa na kagaya po ng ating bansa. Nagiging problema po yung debt. We don't have much and we don't know much. Nobody teaches us how to manage our money in school. Financial issues are not often discussed and financial products not always explained. Even though the financial industry is one of the largest industries in the world, and even though we are flooded with financial news and websites, financial literacy is as confusing as ever. Yan nga po. Kaya po, ang IMG ay naglabas po ng libro na ito para higit po nating maunawaan yan. Kung bakit nga po ba natin kailangan ng financial literacy. Most people have trouble balancing their budget or reading a financial statement. We use credit cards and don't always understand all the hidden charges. We want to have good health care and save for our retirement, but many of us do not have a plan. Yan. Tutulungan po tayo ng libro na to na magkaroon po ng plano. Paano nga po ba yung pagkakasunod-sunod na gagawin po natin? Yan. Sabi po dito, we need to change, but we need understanding first. Yan. Kailangan daw po muna natin maintindihan kung bakit nga po ba. Yan. This book is helpful for people who want to move from financial insecurity to financial security. It is the first step toward a better financial future and possibly becoming financially independent. By becoming your own money manager, you'll discover that it's doable to understand, plan, and build a financial foundation for your family. Yan. You can do it. You can control your future. Yan. At sabi ko nga po kanina, kung gusto nyo po makakuha ng copy po nito, yan. I-type nyo lang po ito. Yan. Ilalagay ko rin po siya sa description ko po. Yan. Para i-click nyo na lang po. Yan. And then, yan. Yan lang po. Kailangan lang po ng name, email, and then mobile number, and then submit. Yan. Magkakaroon na po kayo ng, yan po, PDF. Yan, ng libro po na ito. At sobrang dami nyo pong matututunan yan. At yan, thank you so much everyone and have a great day.